Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to turn on or off captions on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up TikTok application on your phone. And now once the app opens up, tap on profile on the bottom right. This will have a person icon. Now tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner. A pop-up menu will open. And now tap settings and privacy. A new page will open with your settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap accessibility. You can find this underneath the content and activity section. From here, simply toggle off the caption. This will turn the button from blue to gray. And now if you need to turn captions back on, you can toggle the switch back to blue. Auto-generated captions will be now turned off on all TikTok videos. Although this will not hide on-screen text inputted by the TikTok creator. So yeah, this way you can turn on or off captions on TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.